Medical records technicians play a crucial role in the healthcare industry by ensuring the efficient and accurate management of patient information. They are responsible for organizing, updating, and maintaining medical records, which are essential for providing quality patient care, billing, and legal purposes. If you have an eye for detail, a passion for healthcare, and excellent organizational skills, becoming a medical records technician might be the right career path for you. In this video, we'll outline the steps to kickstart your journey as a medical records technician and the skills you'll need to succeed in this rewarding profession. Let's explore the 5 steps required to become a medical records technician. First, you'll need to obtain a high school diploma or equivalent. The first step towards becoming a medical records technician is to complete your high school education or obtain a general education development (GED) diploma. A solid foundation in subjects like biology, mathematics, and computer science can prove beneficial, as these skills are applicable to the medical records field. Second, pursue relevant education and training. While a college degree isn't always mandatory to become a medical records technician, it can significantly enhance your career prospects and increase your earning potential. Consider enrolling in a certificate or associate degree program in health information technology or a related field. These programs typically cover topics such as medical coding, anatomy, medical terminology, and healthcare laws and regulations. Third, gain hands-on experience. While you're pursuing your education, it's essential to gain hands-on experience in the field. Look for internships or part-time jobs in healthcare facilities, hospitals, or clinics. Practical experience will not only help you apply your knowledge, but also give you valuable insights into the day-to-day responsibilities of a medical records technician. Fourth, obtain proper certification. Although certification is not always required, obtaining a professional certification can enhance your credibility and job opportunities. The most widely recognized certification for medical records technicians is the Registered Health Information Technician (RHIT) credential, which is offered by the American Health Information Management Association (AHIMA). To obtain this certification, you'll need to pass the RHIT exam, which evaluates your knowledge and skills in health information management. Finally, develop key skills. A successful medical records technician possesses a range of essential skills. Apart from technical competencies related to health information management systems, coding, and record organization. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.